Blast furnace process, an overview. Hello, welcome to the module on blast furnace. Blast furnace is a high oven, which is used for smelting molten iron from the feed such as limestone, coke, and iron ore supplied to it from the bell charger. As the feeds move down, it comes in contact with hot air gases that are supplied from the tires at the bottom of the furnace. The feeds contain coke, and as it burns it produces hot carbon monoxide, which reacts with iron ore to produce hot molten iron, which is collected at the bottom of the furnace. Alumina and silica in ore reacts with lime and produce slag floating on hot metal, which is removed from time to time.